As we step into this stunning home, we are greeted by the elegance of floral wallpapers paired with a modern console adorned with arches and exquisite artwork. In the living room, the atmosphere is a seamless fusion of modern sophistication and timeless classical charm. While a custom designed jali adds a unique touch. Beveled mirror cladding on the ceiling reflects light beautifully. A wooden crockery cabinet sits proudly beside a dining table topped with selenite, a semi-precious gemstone. For the master bedroom, the client's vision of a Versace-inspired design comes to life in every detail. From the meticulously crafted molding to the luxurious bed and custom furniture, every element has been thoughtfully designed. The centerpiece, a king-size, fully quilted bed, brings an opulent and serene energy to the room. In the daughter's room, as per the client's request, the room was done in pink and white colors. We can see the carving and molding on the bed back, with stone tops on the side tables and wall lights, all designed to match the theme. In the mandir, there is a beautiful painting done by our in-house artist, and the walls feature spiritual sayings also created by our in-house artist with a floated panel at the back. In the mother's room, soft edges and a cushioned bed were chosen, keeping her age in mind. In the study room, we have carved wardrobes, a study unit, and a center table. In the second daughter's room, as per the client's choice, the room was finished in black. The bed back has moldings and carvings with a study table and unit.